Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and some of you might be familiar with this, the GeForce Game Ready drivers that have updates for their computers. If you have an Nvidia graphics card or graphics adapter in your desktop or laptop, Nvidia has announced that if you're on Windows 7, for those that insist on continuing to game under Windows 7, and if you're on Windows 8, 8.1 also, no more updates starting this fall for the drivers themselves. So what's going to happen is that your last GeForce Game Ready driver will be available on August the 31st. After that, the only thing you will have are security updates for the drivers if something bad happens, but no improvements, no changes, no new drivers for newer games, for example. When we look at statistics off of Nvidia, they seem to show that the Windows 7 game side is now less than 2% of people with Nvidia drivers, Nvidia graphics. So that kind of tells you that pretty much every gamer has moved to Windows 10. And it's normal because for those that think Windows 7 is fast on gaming, it's nothing compared to Windows 10, as it has so much improvements in gaming that actually most experienced gamers will tell you they see the difference. So if you're on Windows 7, Windows 8 and 8.1, no more drivers. As for the Windows 8, the reason they said that they won't make any new drivers is also because numbers are very low for gamers, but also because Windows 8.1 is going to be retired soon, so in 2023 actually. So they decided that 7 and 8 would be out. So only security updates after August the 31st. So your last game-ready drivers for games and for performance will be in August. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.